In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts to HubSpot CRM. We'll start by signing in, importing a spreadsheet of contacts, and then I'll show you how to add a single contact manually, step by step. First, head to the HubSpot login page and sign in. If your organization uses Google, click Sign In with Google and choose the appropriate account. Once you're in, open the CRM and go to Contacts. On the top right, select Add Contacts, then choose Import. To keep things simple, click Help me get started and select Import a spreadsheet. Prepare your CSV before uploading. Make sure each column has a clear header, like first name, last name, email, and phone number. Email is typically the unique identifier HubSpot uses to deduplicate contacts, so include it whenever possible. When you're ready, upload your CSV and click Next. HubSpot will show you the mapping screen. Here, confirm that each column from your file is mapped to the correct HubSpot property. If something doesn't match automatically, pick the right property from the dropdown. You can also create a new property if your file includes fields that don't exist yet, but only do that if you need it. Double-check formats like dates and phone numbers, and ensure the header row isn't being imported as a contact. When all fields look correct, click Next. You'll see a compliance confirmation. Read the statement and check the box to confirm that the contacts you're importing are expecting to hear from your organization and that you have a prior relationship. This helps you stay compliant with email and privacy regulations. When everything is set, click Finish Import. HubSpot will process the file and add your contacts. Larger files may take a few minutes. You can refresh the contacts page to see the new records or check the import summary for any skipped rows and fix them as needed. Now let's quickly add one contact manually. If you're not already on the contacts page, sign back into HubSpot, open the CRM, and go to Contacts. Click Add Contacts again, but this time choose Create New. Enter the highlighted required fields, typically an email address along with name and any other key details your team uses. Fill out any additional properties that help your sales or marketing workflows like lifecycle stage or owner, then click Create. Your new contact is saved and ready to use in sequences, lists, and reporting. That's it. You've imported contacts with a CSV and created a single contact manually in HubSpot.